Hey everyone, this is Ebony and our special guest Remy from Tshirt.ca. Isn't he fetching? Today, we're going to be making a DIY dog toy out of an old t-shirt and a tennis ball. Right, Remy? To get started, we're going to lay our t-shirt out flat and cut from one armpit to the other so that we have a square piece of fabric like this. Cut that piece of fabric once more, right down the middle. Once you have your two pieces of fabric, cut each piece at the seam so you have two wide strips. Place your strips in an X like this and put your tennis ball in the middle of the X. Wrap the strips around the tennis ball and tie it off with a spare piece of fabric. Now that your dog toy is starting to look like an octopus, cut each tentacle into 3 strips. Now braid each strip and tie off the end securely. And that's it! Now let's take Remy to the park and see if our DIY dog toy passes the dog test. Hopefully he won't be too rough on us. I think he likes it. How about a round of applause for our celebrity judge? If you enjoyed this video or tried out the toy yourself, how about a Yelp or a Yip review? Or just a good old-fashioned comment is good too. Thanks for watching!